Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to talk about all the A1 level conjunctions. A1 level conjunction we do in this class, which are und, oder, aber, then, weil, das. These are 6 conjunctions that we do, and we understand how do we use them and what is the verb position, which is very important. Verb position is very important whenever you write a conjunction in German. So let's start with the video. Hauptsatz and Nebensatz. You have to understand this thing. Hauptsatz, main clause. Nebensatz, subordinate clause. We understand with the help of example. Very simple thing I will tell you about these two clauses. Hauptsatz, main clause if the verb place is second. If the verb position is second, we call it Hauptsatz. Whereas if the verb position is last, we call it Nebensatz. For example, with und, oder, aber, these 3 conjunctions, when we use, the verb position is second. So these are Hauptsatz. Whereas weil, das, these are the conjunctions when we use, verb position is last. These are called Nebensatz. I hope you understand this, what is Hauptsatz and what is Nebensatz. Now we'll see with the help of example. First example, und. Ich esse ein Brot und Pizza. Ich esse ein Brot und eine Pizza. In this sentence, the subject is same. I can also write ich esse ein Brot und ich esse eine Pizza. But I will not repeat the subject, which is I. I is not required 2 times. Therefore, ich esse ein Brot und eine Pizza. That is the correct formation, and here the verb position is second. It is Hauptsatz because the verb position is second. Next example. Ich gehe zur Arbeit und zum Supermarkt. Ich gehe zur Arbeit und zum Supermarkt. In this sentence, verb position is second. Ich gehe zur Arbeit und ich gehe zum Supermarkt. I have not repeated the subject ich, not required. Therefore, immediately I have written zum Supermarkt. The verb is same and the subject is same. We will not repeat this. That is Hauptsatz. Another example. Ich schreibe eine E-Mail und spiele dann Cricket. Ich schreibe eine E-Mail und spiele dann Cricket. Verbs are different. I have mentioned schreiben and spielen. But subjects are same. Both the work done by me, ich. So only one ich is required. Ich schreibe E-Mail und dann spiele. This is the sentence formation with Hauptsatz. Verb position is second. Let's see another conjunction, aber. Ich schlafe, aber ich möchte auch arbeiten. Ich schlafe, aber ich möchte auch arbeiten. I sleep, but I would also like to work. I sleep, but I would also like to work. Ich schlafe, second position, und möchte. Again, I am the person, I am the subject who will do both the activities. Therefore, repetition is not allowed. Ich schlafe und möchte auch arbeiten. This is my Hauptsatz. This is my Hauptsatz. I can use und, I can use aber because both have null position. We do not count und, aber. The verb place is second. If the subject is same, we will not write the subject again. One more example. Mein Haus ist groß, aber dein Haus ist klein. In this sentence, subjects are different. Mein Haus and dein Haus, your house. I have mentioned, but you see the verb position which is second. Mein Haus ist groß, aber dein Haus ist verb second, klein. So you can also write like this if the subjects are different. Verb position is always second. Do not forget the verb position. Let's see one more example with a different conjunction. We have seen und, aber. Now we'll see oder, means or. Möchten Sie Kaffee trinken oder Tee? It's a question. Möchten Sie Kaffee trinken oder Tee? It's a very general question. Would you like to drink coffee or tea? We use this very often, so I have used here. Möchten Sie Kaffee trinken oder Tee? Another example. Ich trinke Kaffee oder mein Freund trinkt Tee. Ich trinke Kaffee. नहीं ये नहीं. Oder. Oder, ja. Ich weiß nicht. Ich gehe zur Arbeit oder ich bleibe zu Hause. I don't know. I go to work or I stay home. Two sentences I have connected with the help of connector oder. Ich gehe zur Arbeit, verb position second, oder ich bleibe zu Hause, bleiben, verb position second. This is the way we can use this connector conjunction oder, that means or. Now we'll see Nebensatz, connectors, conjunction that we use for a Nebensatz, subordinate clause, and the verb position is last. Ich bin müde, weil ich nicht geschlafen habe. I am tired because I have not slept. Habe is the verb position. Conjugated verb we write at the last place. Geschlafen habe. Tim geht heute nicht zur Schule, weil krank ist. Tim is not going to school because he is sick, weil krank ist. The verb position is last. Mein Vater wohnt in Berlin, weil da arbeitet. My father lives in Berlin because he works there, while da arbeitet. The verb is at the last position. So this is the conjunction while and the verb position is last. It is called Nebensatz. Now we talk about das. Ich weiß, dass du krank bist. I know that you are sick. Verb position is last. Ich glaube, dass Martin nicht zu Hause ist. I believe Martin is not at home. Verb position is last. Tim weiß, dass ich in Berlin wohne. Tim knows that I live in Berlin. With all these sentences, the verb position is last. Therefore, it is Nebensatz. I hope after watching this video, you have a little bit idea about Hauptsatz and Nebensatz, and these are the conjunctions that we use for A1 level. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.